Good morning and welcome to my channel. It's Lorraine here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm doing a quick flick through of this pocket journal that I've made. I was gifted an Etsy voucher and I didn't want to buy something that I didn't really need or want. So I paid for a course on Etsy. It's a Mrs Cogs course on making a journal. So I've followed the course and I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and I've learned some new techniques that I will be using in different journals going on from now. But this is the one that I made following the tutorial from Mrs Cogs. It's a really nice, squishy, chunky pocketbook journal, a little journal. It measures about 4.5 by 6. It has 3 signatures sewn in. It's covered in this velvet gold fabric. I've put this linen base with a card from a kit that you get when you buy the tutorial, this gypsy kit. I've stitched around that, and then it's glued onto the front cover. I've got this blingy applique on there. Its closure is by eyelets, and this it's not sari silk, it's an acrylic silk, I think, that I got from a friend of mine. She gave me a top that she didn't wear anymore, so I've utilised it in my journals. As you can see, it's full of lace and linen and ribbons, a little bit of sari silk. It's got dangly bits on the side, a bell, loads of blingy bits on the bottom as well. So I'll just do a quick flick through of what's inside. It does lie flat so that you can journal in it. It will stand despite having all the bling on. It will stand, so if you want to put it on a bookcase, it will go on a bookcase. Let me just check I'm in shot there. Yep, I'm in shot there. So on the inside front cover, it's got the linen on the inside cover here, this lace pocket, crocheted lace pocket with this little description tag on front, and a journal card. This isn't from Mrs Cogs, this is from Graphics 45, a freebie from her site. So nice journal card in there. This lovely gypsy picture here. I've made that into a pocket, and I've just put this card in there that I've stamped on, and it's blank on the back for journaling. It's got this lovely trim on the bottom of that page, some stamping on the back of there, some more of that applique, another pocket with another journal card inside, stand out and be proud, stamped onto there. This is something I've never done. I've never stitched directly onto the page so that you've got the stitching going through the back, but I quite like it. I've used coffee stained paper throughout. I've utilised that stitching from this page and made it into a sort of frame stamping. These are from the kit that you get. A little bit of sari that I was gifted. Lots and lots of blank pages, so you can either fill with your own pictures or for journaling spaces. This is just some crocheted lace trim, a little bit of a journal notelet inside this pocket, some lace on the end of there, and I've just put some pins with bits of blingy ephemera on there. Some upholstery trim, some more lace at the bottom of this page, and some lace on the side, the key attached by a bulb pin. Journal space again, some more linen trim on the top of there. One of the larger journal cards that you get in the kit, and inside of there I've just put this journal card, as free as a bird, that one says. Just made a little tag so that it's easy to get in and out of the pocket. This is from the kit, so I've just made it into a tuck spot. Some lace at the bottom of this page with a little star attached to that. A top pocket here with journal card inside of there. Another pocket, a little bit of stamping, and another journal card in that pocket. The images are beautiful. I've put some handmade paper underneath this little print on here, and again I've utilised the stitching, made it look like a frame. Some more linen trim that's been stitched in, and another journal card inside of this pocket. This paper is from Tracy Foxy Crafters. It's one that I use quite a lot from her. Some more of the sari silk and a little bell, you can hear it, attached to that. Another pocket with just a journal tag inside. Some more lace that's stitched on to there. A little pocket with the dancing lady inside, and a miniature tag, and I've just stamped the letter G for Gypsy on there. And this is my favourite trim on the side of here. Let me try and get it so that you can see it. It's lovely with all the dangly bits on, so that's cute. Another card, a little tag inside of that pocket, and a journal card inside of there. Some more lace trim. Here's I haven't put anything in that one. A little card. In fact, no, it's glued all the way down. It's not a pocket, isn't that one? And not realising when I put this one in this page that I'd already put that one on the following page. Too late, it was on. So the same lady on both pages, but it doesn't matter because she's beautiful. She's worth 2 prints. A little journal card inside of there. Come on, there we go. Some of this ribbon here, and I've put some fancy stitching on there to hold it on. Another pocket with another journal card inside. Little pocket again, another pocket, and I've put in a journal card inside there with another little tag for ease of getting it in and out of the pocket. Some of the fabric that's, I need to go through and take some of these frayed bits off, but that's what's covering the journal. A little bit of card just on the edge of that page, some fancy stitching down that page, a tag, and another little pocket. Broderie Anglaise pocket with a journal card tucked inside of there. Some of the sari that I was gifted by my friend. Some more of the Broderie Anglaise, and it's got a little rose attached to that. Another pocket with some journal space inside of there. Some more stamping. This page has this blue lace on, and it's got a couple of lovely glass beads on the bottom of it. and a journal card in there. Another pocket, and inside another journal card in there. Some silk fabric. I don't know if you can pick it out, but it's got like gold bling on there. And I've just put some gypsy rings on a bulb pin there. This beautiful girl who looks like she's having so much fun. And then I've just put this little bit of a voile fabric on there. A tag, another tag with a little card in. Some washi tape on the edge of there, and some more of this dangler. Another pocket. I didn't put a tag on this one. Another pocket, and it's got some note paper inside, so that you've got, and it's like a handmade paper. Is that not by my fair hands, but it is. And then this beautiful applique that came from a wedding dress, but I've just tea stained it so that it sticks out on the page. Some journal space there with lace on the top of that page. Fortune teller lady, and in that pocket is a little journal card. Another pocket with dream catchers and butterflies on. Another little journal space in there. Another pocket with some more of the handmade paper. I don't know if you can pick out, but that's got a little bit of shine through that. It's got glitter on that page and just a little bit of stamping on there. And again, some of the fabric, the velvet fabric that's on the front with a few beads attached. Sari silk again, and another broderie anglaise pocket with journal card tucked in there. And the back page is this beautiful image of the gypsy dancing girl and a journal card inside, and some more of those lovely dangly beady things. So that has been a joy to make. There's been lots of techniques in there that I haven't done before, but I will use again. It's been quite a challenge because usually what I do when I'm making journals is I'll sew the signatures in and then decorate them. And with this one, it was the other way around. You decorate with all this already attached and then put it inside the journal, which was, believe me, a challenge, but one that I've valued and one that I've learned from. So I will be using similar techniques again in this from this tutorial. So thank you, Mrs Cogs. I've really enjoyed that video. I've enjoyed the tutorial. The tutorial is really easy to follow. So take a look at what she does on her Etsy store. There's lots, in fact on YouTube as well, there's like a preview to the courses that she does, so it's well worth it. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in one of these journals, you'll have to message me because this one already has a home, but I will do custom orders if anybody is interested. So thank you very much. Bye.